how to use Instagram for business marketing. So hello everyone. So in today's video, I will show you guys on how to use Instagram for business marketing. So without further ado, let us begin. So the first thing that you need to do is go to the Instagram website or just by using the app on your phone. So the website is just instagram.com, and then from here you can either sign up or log in. So you can log in with your phone number, username, or email, or you can just directly log in with your Facebook account. And then if you don't have an account, just click on sign up. So for me, I will just sign up. And then from here, what you want to do is just input your email, your full name, your username, and your password, and then just click on sign up. So I will do that right now. And then after signing up, it will ask you for your birthday. So it says right here, this won't be part of your profile. So I will set a birthday right here. And then once you're done, just click on next. And then after that, it will ask you for a confirmation code. So check out your email for the confirmation code in signing up for your Instagram account. And then once you're done, you have now successfully created your Instagram account. So to use this for business marketing, what you want to do first is switch your account into a business profile. So to do that, what you want to do is click on more right here and then just go to settings. And then once you're in settings, what you want to do is just scroll down until you see account type and tools. And then what you want to do is switch it to a professional account so that you'll have access to the different kinds of tools that you can use for business marketing. So just click on switch to professional account right here, and then it will ask you which best describes you. So are you a creator? So are you a public figure, content producer, artist, or influencers? Or are you a business? So this is best for retailers, local businesses, brands, organizations, and service providers. So I'll just choose business and then just click on next. And then after that, just click on next. And then after that, it will ask you to choose a category. So choose a category that best describes what you do. So you'll have an option to display or hide this on your profile. So just choose what category you are in. So for me, I'll just choose product and service, and then you can either show it in your profile or not. So you can just click on this box icon right here if you want to show it on your profile or not. And then once you're done choosing your category, just click on done. And then after that, it will ask you for your contact info. So it says right here, review your contact info. So this information will be displayed on your profile publicly so people can contact you. So you can edit or remove this information at any time. So just fill in your contact info right here, like your email, your phone number, your street address, your city, town, and your zip code. And then what you can also do is if you want to show your contact info on your profile, just click on this box right here. So for now, I'll just use do not use my contact info. And then after that, your Instagram business account is now ready. So as you can see over here, it says you now have more tools to connect with your audience on Instagram. So yeah, just click on done. And then there you go. Your Instagram is now a professional account. So as you can see over here, when I click on professional account right here, I'll have access to the different kinds of tools that I can use for my account. Same goes with business tools and controls. So after setting up your Instagram account to a professional account, what you can start off doing is by editing your profile. So when I go to my profile right here, you can edit everything from here. So you can start editing your profile picture, adding a bio, and you can also post your first image. So here's an example of mine. So I made a tech related Instagram profile. So the name of my profile is Tech Trends Insider, and my bio is right here. It's just a short bio. So the bio is exploring the world of tech. So to start off, you can start off by creating a profile picture for your Instagram account. So you can make profile pictures by using Canva right here and then just searching up some templates for your profile picture. So just search up profile picture and then just search up for Instagram profile picture. And then from here, you can use some templates so that you can customize it and then upload it later on Instagram. And then moving on, add a bio. So you can add anything to your bio as long as it's related to your business. So since my business or my sample business is related to tech, so I just made a short bio that says exploring the world of tech. So feel free to search online on what kind of bio you can add to your bio on Instagram, or you can just simply use, ChatGPT or any AI so that it can help you. So in boosting your Instagram account, what you need to do is first to complete everything that you need in your profile, and then moving on, what you should do is to post consistently. So posting consistently allows you to be recognized in the Instagram world. So here's an example of a post that I made. So as you can see over here, I have a description. So embarking on a digital journey with Tech Trends Insiders. So join us as we dive into the latest marketing technologies, trends, and insights. So stay ahead of the curve and unlock the power of data-driven growth. Welcome to the future of marketing. So when it comes to posting, what you need to do is to become consistent with posting. You should also add hashtags because this will furthermore boost your post on Instagram. And then once you complete all of those, you will have a bigger chance of getting recognized in Instagram. And then what you can also do is Instagram also has a feature where you can boost your post. So as I move my mouse down here at the boost post, I can just click on that, and then from there you can boost your post. So you can boost your post with a Facebook ad account or without the Facebook ad account. So feel free to choose which one you want best. So I'll just, for an example, I will use without a Facebook ad account. So just click on continue. And then after clicking on continue, you will go to this page right here. So it says right here, boost post. So it will ask you first, what do you want people to do when they see your ad? So if you want people to visit your profile, just click on this first option. If you want them to visit your website, so this is best for online sales, bookings, and helping people learn more about you. So just use the second one. And if you want customers to message you, just choose on the third one. And then if you have special requirements, so if your ad is about credit, employment, housing, social issues, elections, or politics, make sure to turn this on. And then moving on, it will ask you, who do you want to see in your ad? So you should check suggested audience. So this targets this ad to people similar to your followers. And then what you can also do is create your own. So when I click on this right here, you can create your own audience right here just by specifying the location, their interest, their age, and their gender. And then moving on is the ad budget. So you can edit out your ad budget right here. So the higher the budget, the higher the reach of your post. And then after that, you can also set a duration for that post. So the first option will be run this ad until I pause it. So this lets your ad run for as long as you'd like. And then you can pause it at any time. Or what you can do is just set a duration. And then after that, you'll need to enter your payment methods right here for the payment. And then once you're done, just click on Boost Post. Moving on, when I go to Add Tools right here, again, you can boost your post right here. Or what you can also do is create an ad. So when I click on create an ad right here, you can create a new ad if you want to. So upload media for your ad, so you can add photos and videos to create your ad. Or what you can do is just by boosting your posts or your content from your profile. So you can turn a post, a story, or a reel from your profile into an ad. So once you're done choosing those, make sure to also input your payment details right here. And then you will see all of your ads right here that are boosted in Instagram. So yeah, those are pretty much the basics on how to use Instagram for business marketing.